Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on promotion notices in the Turkish Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down at the other section, click on the settings button. And then click on the notifications button. And within the notifications section, look for the promotion notices button. And this will activate to stay up to date with promotion and campaign notices within the application. So to enable it, click on the white circle, and once it turns green, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.